Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Working in Grace. Before we begin today's reflection, I want to take a moment to say a heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you. To my returning viewers, thank you for your continued support, encouragement, and for choosing to spend a few moments of your day with me. Your presence here means so much, and I am truly grateful that we are walking this journey of faith and gratitude together. For the new subscribers or for the new people who are visiting this channel, a very warm welcome to you. I'm also so glad that you've joined us today. Walking in Grace is a place where we slow down, appreciate God's blessings, learn from everyday experience, and find hope and inspiration in the beauty of creation. I also want to share a little moment of joy with you. Yesterday morning, I woke up and my channel had reached 20 subscribers. Oh, what a joy! I was incredibly thankful for every single person who had joined this community of Walking in Grace. But guess what? When I woke up this morning and checked again, I was amazed to see that we had grown to a whopping 37 subscribers. The joy this brought to my heart is difficult to put it in words. It may seem like a small number to some, but to me and to us as Walking in Grace, it means a lot to us, as each subscriber represents a real person, a person who was chosen to be part of this journey, to listen, to reflect, and to grow together in faith and gratitude. Seeing this growth reminds me that God is at work, often in ways we don't expect. Every step forward, no matter how small it may seem, is a blessing worth celebrating. And here at Working in Grace, we celebrate every single milestone. And today we just celebrate even attaining 37 subscribers. So thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. And thank you for helping this little community continue to grow. Today, as I listen to the gentle sound of rain falling outside, I am reminded once again of God's goodness and the wonders of His creation. So, wherever you are watching from, take a deep breath, settle in, and join me as we reflect on today's message: Rain, the magic of God's wonder. I invite you to pause for a moment and listen to one of nature's most beautiful melodies, the sound of rain. As the first drop begins to fall from the sky, something magical happens. The air becomes cooler, the earth releases its fresh scent, and the world seems to slow down. The noise of daily life fades into the background, replaced by a gentle rhythm of raindrops dancing on the roofs, dancing on the leaves, and the ground beneath our feet. Rain is one of God's greatest wonders. It arrives quietly, yet it transforms everything it touches. Dry fields become green again, flowers bloom with renewed beauty, rivers and streams come alive, carrying its light wherever they flow. Sometimes, as we watch the rain, we are reminded of God's love. Just as rain nourishes the earth, God, God's grace nourishes our hearts. We may go through seasons of drought, uncertainty, or struggle, but God knows exactly when we need refreshing. He sends hope when we feel weary, strength when we feel weak, and peace when our hearts are troubled. There is something deeply comforting about sitting by a window and watching the rain fall. Each drop seems to tell a story, a reminder that God is constantly at work even when we cannot see it. The rain does not rush, it falls in its own time and accomplishes its purpose. In the same way, uh, God's plans for our lives unfolds according to His perfect timing. We may not always understand the seasons we are in, but we can trust He is preparing something beautiful beneath the surface. As I stand here today watching the rain, I'm filled with gratitude for the fresh air, the green trees, the singing birds that will return after the storm, and the simple blessings of being able to witness the incredible gift from God. Rain teaches us patience, it teaches us renewal. Most importantly, it reminds that after every storm comes growth. The earth becomes stronger, greener, and more vibrant because of the rain. So next time the clouds gather and the rain begins to fall, take a moment to appreciate the magic of God's wonder. Listen to its song, feel its freshness, allow it to remind you that God's grace is always present, bringing life, healing, and hope. Thank you for joining me today on Walking in Grace. If this message encouraged you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this journey with us. Until next time, keep walking in grace, keep trusting God's timing, and keep finding beauty in simple wonders that surround you today. God bless you even as I leave you with the sound of rain. Thank you.